I can only live if there's light, but I die if a light shines on me. A shadow! A shadow!
Correct answer, a shadow.
Bye, Mom. I'm off to school.
Sissy, I got a riddle.
Hurry, read it to me.
What can run but can't walk? A turkey?
No, don't say turkey.
Final answer.
It's a river. It's a river.
Are you sure?
I think so.
A river. Correct answer, a river.
Oh no, I just got a riddle.
Hurry, read it out loud. We can all help you.
What has 21 eyes but can't see?
21 eyes but can't see. Come on, give him suggestions.
I don't know.
I know the answer. It's 10 and a half blind people.
Incorrect. Correct answer, a dice.
Oh no, I got another riddle.
Happy birthday, sweetie. Blow out the candle.
Yay, I'm finally 6.
Oh no, you need to put these on right away and never take them off.
Why can't I take them off?
You just can't. Something bad will happen. Just listen to your mother.
It's so warm in here.
Girl, are you crazy? It's like 1,000 degrees in here. Take the earmuffs off.
I can't take them off.
Why? Are they like glued to your head or something?
They might as well be.
Bree?
Huh? Did you call me?
You can never hear properly with those earmuffs on.
I know, they really muffle sound.
Just take them off.
I can't take them off. Something bad would happen.
I'll take them off.
Hey, give them back.
Ho, ho, ho.
Santa Claus?
You called my daughter?
Daughter?
Here, happy birthday, Brianna.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
I'm feeling so weak.
Oh no. Honey, come with me now. Here, put this charger in your charging port right there. I've been secretly charging you every day, but it's time that you know. You're not like the other kids. If you don't charge yourself and your battery's gone, you'll die. You must keep this a secret, because if the other kids find out, they'll treat you differently, okay?
Okay. I'm all charged and ready for the day.
Welcome to gym class. Today we're going to be running 100 laps.
Oh no, I'm gonna lose all my battery.
You're what?
Nothing.
Keep running!
I can't. I'll be back, Coach. I need more charge.
What the?
I need more charge.
What the? What are you doing?
What are you doing here? Why'd you follow me, you creep?
Why is there a charger plugged into you?
I run on battery. If I don't recharge myself, I'll die.
Don't worry. Your secret is safe with me.
Oh no, I forgot to charge myself last night. It's okay, I'm already late. I'll have to charge myself at school.
Hey, watch out!
I'm so sorry, Derek. I'm just super late, so I was in a rush.
It's no problem. Here, you dropped your bag.
Thank you.
Class, turn to page 69.
I need to charge myself. Where is it? My charger's gone.
Hey, Brianna, I know your secret. Derek told the whole school.
Sweetie, is it time for school?
Yes, I think so.
Sweetie, you need to ask, what time is it, Mr. Wolf?
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 8 a.m. It's time for school.
Lunchtime.
Brianna, you need to ask Mr. Wolf what time it is.
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 12 p.m. It's time for everybody to eat lunch. Except Timmy. It's time for Timmy to be my lunch. No, Mr. Wolf, please!
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 3 p.m. It's time for me to eat you.
Brianna, you need to ask Mr. Wolf what time it is. Hurry! What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 3 p.m. It's time for me to eat you.
Brianna, you need to ask Mr. Wolf what time it is. Hurry!
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 3 p.m. It's time for everyone to go home.
It's time to go home. I'll see you tomorrow, bestie. Stay safe.
You too. Mom, I'm home. I'm so hungry. Mom, is it time for dinner?
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 5 p.m. It's time for me to have my dinner.
Mom!
Sissy, where's Mommy? It's time for dinner.
She's just sleeping.
Why is there a timer above my head?
Sissy, hurry. You need to ask. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
Ask what? Why is there a timer above my head?
Sissy, hurry. You need to ask. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
Ask what?
What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
What time is it, Mr. Who?
Mr. Wolf! Mr. Wolf!
Uh-oh. Looks like little Sissy ran out of time. It's time to be my meal.
Go away. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 9 a.m. It's time for school. You're late.
I don't care. I'm not going. My mom and sister are gone. What? What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
It is 9 a.m. It's time for you to go to school.
I told you I'm not going.
Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! Polo?
Marco!
Safe.
Emily!
I'm so glad I found you, Sissy. I was so scared. It was so dark. Marco!
Polo!
You actually fell for it.
Bestie, don't scare me like that.
Chill, I was just joking.
It's serious. My little sister Emily was chosen to play the game this morning. She almost didn't find me in time. What's wrong with Cynthia?
Her boyfriend died during the game of Marco Polo. He wasn't able to find her in time.
That's awful. Everything's dark. Oh no. Marco? Everything's dark. Oh no. Marco?
Polo!
Marco! Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! Thank goodness you found me.
I'm so glad you weren't far.
Choose who will play.
You're making me choose? Well, I can't choose my mother.
Marco?
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! 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 Bestie, why can't I hear you? Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
Failure. Choose.
You're making me choose again? Oh,
You're up early.
unfortunately.
Honey, I need a favor.
What the?
You drive your sister to school day. Hey, when did you change your clothes? Get back here.
This is a robbery.
What? First thing in the morning?
Give me your car keys now.
Oh.
Oh!
Brianna, you're late. You'll only have 10 minutes left to write the test.
Don't worry. Just hand me the test. I got this.
Come on, we've been paused long enough. Can you press play now? Come on, we've been paused long enough. Can you press play now?
How are you not paused but everybody else is?
I don't know why, but I have the same ability as you. I can pause time. We must be the chosen ones.
I'm sorry, but this is real life, not Star Wars. Wait a minute. So if you press pause, it stops time not only for you, but for me too? This restaurant you got me is amazing.
You know I know how to treat a lady. Let's kiss.
快手，拥抱每一
Why
种
aren't you
生活。
breathing? James! Okay, I can't wait any longer. I'm leaving.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure, what?
Well, I just think you're super fine and... Brianna, hurry up and unpause it before I lose my Riz. I'm not paused.
What?
Harry had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing. Where did you learn to sing?
I don't know, I just heard it on the TV.
You only sing when you want to kill someone. They play that on the TV because they want you to sing, but you can't, okay?
Okay.
Honey, are you off to school now?
Yeah, I am.
You forgot to wear your earplugs. You must always keep them on while you're in public.
Do I have to wear them?
It's for your protection. You never know when someone could start singing.
Hey, girl. Hey! Hey!
Ouch!
Now I got your attention.
What?
Keep out those earplugs. I want to talk to you.
My mom makes me wear them. She says you never know when someone could start singing.
Come on, hand them over. We're at school. No one would start singing here. Ring around the rosies, a pocket full of...
Oh!
Ring around the rosies, a pocket full of...
Who?
Rosies, ashes. Here's your earplugs back. I was wrong. You might actually need them.
I saw someone die. Was it just him or were there others?
There were 3 others who didn't cover their ears in time. Hey, they canceled school for the day. Go home and get some rest.
Mom, I'm home.
Mary had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing.
Little lamb.
Emily, why are you singing? I told you not to. It kills people.
Its fleece was white as...
Mom, there's something wrong with Emily. She won't stop singing. She's going to kill someone.
Mary had a little lamb.
Why are you singing?
Little lamb.
I need to get out of here. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, baby.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, baby.
Why is everyone singing?
Attention all citizens. Singing has now become contagious. You must wear earplugs at all times to stop the spread.
Mary had a little lamb. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetops. Ashes, ashes.
Everyone's singing.
Hey, take out your earplugs.
What?
It's just me and you.
It's just us?
Yes.
Okay.
Ring around the rosies. Ring around the rosies.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh, man.
Rock, beat, scissors.
Round 2.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock wins.
Ah!
Rock, paper.
No.
What?
I'm not playing the third round.
Come on, one of us will win $1 million.
Yeah, but one of us will die.
That's a risk I'm willing to take.
I'm not. Hello?
The results came in. I have cancer.
What?
Treatment's going to be very expensive, and I'm too sick to work. We're going to lose our house soon. I don't know how we'll live.
Mom, don't worry about a thing. I'll get us all the money we need. Derek, let's play rock, paper, scissors. If we tie the first 2 rounds, I'll play the third round with you.
Rock, paper, scissors. I win.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Paper beats rock. Last round.
Rock, paper, rock,
paper,
scissors. Both chose paper.
We'll have to play again?
How about we split the money?
No way. I'm not splitting the money. I want the $1 million all for myself.
Derek, I don't want to die, and I don't want to see you die.
I'm not splitting. Rock, paper, scissors. There's no way.
Scissors beats paper.
You cheated. You're a cheater.
I didn't cheat.
Come with me, Derek. We're taking you to be executed. Oh, she didn't win fairly. She cheated. Did you hear? She killed Derek for $1 million.
I didn't kill Derek. We played a game we both agreed to, and I won.
There she is. I've been looking for you everywhere.
Ma'am, is everything okay?
I'm Derek's mother. I want to avenge my son. We're playing rock, paper, scissors till the third round.
Okay, I'll play with you.
Rock, paper. Wait, stop the game.